Branden House. This is Karaline House. The company is called Safety First Solar. My motto is heavy hands make light work. So everybody pitch in and put their hands in, we have a light work day. We came down to Wapakoneta to build an 18 megawatt solar panel field. Started our own company, got up and running, and this is our first job. And having the team that I do got, it's been amazing since we started this company.
Someone that definitely loves to travel. We do house, employees. As far as an experience, of course we would love, the experienced workers, but it's not very hard to, learn it. Like I said, I was a hotel manager and I caught on so quick they hired us in. So
somebody basically hands-on.
Yeah, definitely hands-on. Fast learner. It is fast-paced. Can't go at your own speed because there is a time limit. That we have to get things done. So
let's get there, pushing the line. They're feeding off panels right now. And we have a skid steer up in front that has panels. This is how we keep our line moving without, really no type of break in the center. Right now, I have a guy in the back, Brian. He's sitting up here making sure that the pattern is going correct. Back here behind making, we have, so we go by purling numbers. So bottoms are 1. Second one is 2s, 3s, 4s. So down on the bottom, we got a fast girl named Morgan that's down on the bottom. She's pinning and washing and nutting at the same time while moving. Second line, we have Tina and Kay. Tina's sitting up there. Tina is putting the hardware in and washer and nutting, and Kay is doing the same thing, washing and nutting and dropping pins. Right here we got Mickey that's putting washer and nuts on the top. We got this guy over here that's grabbing the panel right there, bringing it up as they're putting it on, bringing it down, putting it by the hole and drop the pins in. And Mickey's coming down the line and putting the washer and nuts on those.
When I first started, all the guys was like, this isn't a job for a woman. She's not going to be able to handle it. And I came out and I did just as well, maybe better. I was quicker with my hands, so I could bolt quicker. I lift the panels. They weigh about 50 pounds. I could lift the panels.
But I will say, to the kids that haven't, put the thought in to figure out what they want to do yet, whether it's going to college or if they want to sit back and relax, some things are worth a try. I'm gonna tell you right now, this type of work is not made for everybody. It's not, but you won't know that until you give it a try. So if you was to come out here and give this a try, you might like it. Some people come out here, they may not like it. They may can't get their finger works together to drop the bolts in, put the washers on, or whatever the case may be. But you gave it a try to be able to come out and give it a shot to see if you could do it or not. And that's the part that counts. As long as you keep pushing it and striving for what you want, you will succeed in life and get better at what you're doing. There's no hesitation to life, and time waits for nobody. The time is now to go ahead and get out here now and be able to produce some work and show your abilities to be able to be out here, to be able to move forward in life.